Story 9. An Arab king was sick in his state of decrepitude, so that all hopes of life were cut off. A trooper entered the gate with the good news that a certain fort had been conquered by the good luck of the king. That the enemies had been captured and that the whole population of the district had been reduced to obedience. The king heaved a deep sigh and replied, "This message is not for me, for my enemies, namely the heirs of the kingdom. I spent my precious life in hopes, alas, that every desire of my heart will be fulfilled. My wishes were realized, but to what profit? Since there is no hope that my past life will return, the hand of fate has struck the drum of departure. O my two eyes, bid farewell to the head. O palm, forearm, and arm of my hand. All take leave from each other. Death, the foe of my desires, has fallen on me. For the last time, O friends, pass near me. My life has elapsed in ignorance. I've done nothing. Be on your guard." And personally don't like to use the word luck, but I know the phrase that, the bounty that a person was to come across, it wasn't exactly something guaranteed based on the circumstances.